This is an example program using strings. I have the main function character text. This is the way to declare an array, and I am initializing the value. The value of this array is have a nice day, and I am having an integer variable I. The purpose of this program is to display this character array. So, how am I going to display it? While text of I is 0, so we are starting from the first character of the array, while text of I is not equal to null. That means as long as there is some value in the array, until the array is not ended, I want to print all the characters. That is why I am checking whether this is equivalent to null. So, while it is not equal to null, I am printing each character. I am printing one by one the characters. Okay. I could have easily used a put test statement and printed the entire string, but just to show how each character of the string can be taken into account and it can be displayed, we are using this printf statement. So, printf %c text of I. Why we are using %c? Because we are printing only one character at a time. So, we cannot use %s over here. We are not printing a full string. We are printing one character one by one. Then I++, that means it will move to the second character. Checks whether it is null. No. There are so many characters in this array, isn't it? So, till the y is reached, the final y is reached, the text will be printed. Once y is reached, here the compiler will identify a null character. So, it will tell that the string is over. So, while text of I will become equal to null. So, it will automatically come out of this loop and the main function will be closed. So, this I++ is to move to the next character, and this is the final output. So, this is how strings are used in a C program.